Hello, how you doing? Just finished another house. As you can see, about to have a tenant in. We'll show you the house real quick, how it look. Okay. It's a 4-bedroom, 1 bath. The rent around here is $17.50, so yeah. That's how it goes. As you can see, still got some of my supplies here. Right there. I got my lovely wife. That's my wife right there. She's come to help me clean it a little. Yeah. And here's one of the bedroom. I actually had to build it, you know, an extra bedroom, so that so make it a 4-bedroom house instead, or 3-bedroom. This is that. Okay. It's a pretty big house. There's another room. Let's go upstairs. My previous tenant destroyed this house. Okay, nearly everything has to be new. See. Okay, that's it. Yeah, I hope the new tenant doesn't destroy this property. Okay, but how I take it, I take 2 months security plus the first month rent. So just to move in, it's $52.50 for this property. So like my video, please subscribe. Thanks.